Hey guys, it's Little Lem's Apothecary Health and Beauty Hacks, and today we're going to make a foaming facial cleanser. Very hydrating. It's got foaming silk protein. Wow. And it's got some honey quat, which is a positively charged honey, so it absorbs into your skin. It's attracted to your negatively charged skin. It's got very hydrated. It's got donkey milk hydration. It's got fermented oat extract, which is rich in beta glucans. A bunch of cool stuff I got from Formula Sample Shop. Let's discuss. Guys, look! Wow! Look! Wow! Yeah, it's actually very, very foamy and cool. Oh, it's very hydrated. It's like creamy. I love it. Ooh, yeah, this is like so creamy. It could be like a shaving cream. Look at that. Got some really hydrating ingredients, you guys. Really hydrating. Let's discuss them. So we got donkey milk from Formula Sample Shop. I thought this would come out creamy when I dissolved it in the deionized water, but it was not. It's obviously not. I thought it was going to be a little grainy and jar up, bunch up into my foamer, which I just got from Amazon, a bunch of these, which is really fun. I like this. Donkey milk hydration. This is protein rich. It's very, hydrating. It's kind of a cool Korean style ingredient. It's a rich source of calcium, magnesium, zinc, all these nutrients. So we put that in there. And we added oat extract, which is rich in beta glucans, which is that protective ingredient for your skin. This would be great to put in a cream, but I wanted to put a ferment into my fabulous foaming hydration foaming cleanser. We put some glycerin, of course, because that's also a great humectant. And an awesome humectant is quaternized honey, or also called honey quat. So this is positively charged, cationic. Cationic means positively charged honey. So it absorbs into your skin. It's more moisturizing because your skin and your hair are negatively charged, so it'll be attracted to the negative charge. So this has been there. The whopping 3%. We got the beta glucan, Cinnamoside Asian fusion. So this is an interesting ferment-based preservative from Formula Sample Shop. Some hydrating glycols, antimicrobial. So it's going to be good for your skin as well. Cinnamoside Asian fusion uses a pioneering method of infused garlic, ginger, and wasabi extract with hydrating glycose, propylene, and hexylene for effective microbial growth prevention. Preservative, plus there's some lucidol. You could add some additional preservatives like Optifin. You might want to put a little bit of Optifin in there, 0.75% as well, because it's a water-based situation here. Okay, let's do that. Let's put 0.75 in there as well. Our surfactants here are foaming silk, which is very cool. There's foaming rice, there's foaming soy. I got mine from Formula Sample Shop. You can also get this at Lotion Crafters. You can really go all the way up to 100% with this with no problem, but 1 to 10% is great. And then we have our Surf Pro cocamidopropyl betaine, or betaine. I think it's betaine. And this is a mild sudsing action. It holds the suds. Cocamidopropyl betaine is a very mild, preservative-free surfactant used to increase mildness, create great flash suds, and stabilize foams and bubbles. And when you use it with another surfactant like foaming silk, it works great, you guys. Wasn't that fun? So I really like this as just kind of a nice morning skin refresher, feeling oily from your creams overnight. And also you could use it as a second step after oil cleansing and taking your makeup off. You can use any hydrosol you want. You can really play with the formulas. You could use different fermentations in there. I just want to try this oat one because this is kind of a really mild, hydrating, anti-aging. That's what we wanted with this one. I like it. Quaternized honey I really dig to really pull it into your skin. Let's do it, shall we? Okay, let's do. Okay, guys, here we are. So here's my formula that I got, that I created. You can look in the description down below for these percentages all written out. I got this template Excel spreadsheet from Bulk Actives, which is pretty great because you can plug in percentages of what you want, and then they'll bring out the amounts. Lotion Crafters has one. There's many places online you can get them. We're making about 8 ounces in our little foam container creator here, and that's about 237 ounces. Let's do it. First, we have 106.65 of water. A little above that 100 line. Beep. So I'm going to heat this up, bring it to like 2, and I'm going to start spinning my spinner here. Yay! Hydrosol, we got 64. Rose hydrosol, delicious. You can use really anything you want. Pouring it up to 650. Woo! It's approximate, it's fine because some of the water is going to evaporate. Anywho, let's get our donkey milk at 4.74 grams, darlings. So we can just start dissolving it in our liquids here. Yay, donkey milk, which I got from Formula Sample Shop. Donkey milk powder. No donkeys were hurt in the production of this ingredient, darlings. Korean skincare, protein rich donkey milk. Wow, exact. Fabulous, darlings. So I'm gonna spin this real good so there's a tornado, upside down tornado in there. And slowly tap it in to the little whirlpool there. Yay! Let's put in our glycerin. Vegetable glycerin. I heated some up here so it'll be a little more liquidy. I'm just gonna use a little pipettes, 3 pipettes. If they go up to 3 milliliters rather. Ooh, a little easier to work with if you put in a little hot water. 3, 6, and 1. Push it back and forth there to get it really in there. Splendid! Cocamidopropyl betaine, 11.87. This is our surfactant, aside from our foaming silk. Go up to 3 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 right there. 10, 11, and a little bit. Almost a milliliter. Wonderful! Getting there. Foaming silk. Same amount. Foaming silk, which you can get at Formula Sample Shop or Lotion Crafters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then almost 12. Honeyquat, 3%, 7.11. Yay, hydration. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, and then a little bit. Oat ferment. Oat extract, beta, gluten rich, 5% of that. So that's again basically 12 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 12. Asian Fusion as our preservative, 2%, going up to 4.7. 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 5. There we go. Nice. See, it's a little sudsy, interesting feel. Smells like roses. Doesn't look very pretty, but let's put it in. Then we just pour it into our foaming container. Neat. Ooh. Lovely. It's a nice feel to it, you guys. It's almost like shaving cream has a nice feel. It smells like roses, hydrating. So that's it, guys. What did you think? You can make your own at home. You could use this without the pumper and use a little bit more surfactants to make it more, or in a thickener. I like these little pumps I got. I'll put the link in the description to where I got these, just off of Amazon. These are pretty cheap. So what'd you think, guys? I really like this. It's very hydrating, great second step after makeup removal with oil cleansing. You could do, nice, mild morning cleanser, whatever you want, really. Very hydrating. It's with the quaternized honey and with the glycerin. I really like it, you guys. It smells wonderful with the roses. It'd be neat if it was like a pink color, but it's not. So if you liked that video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you hit the bell button right next to the subscribe button, you'll be notified when we put out our videos on Thursdays. And when we do lives, Tuesdays at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, darlings, where we do Q&As and hang out and discuss Yeah, guys, suggestions welcome of stuff to make in the description. So unctuous. Just gonna play with it. Yeah, look. Hey gang, it's Lita Lum's Apotheca Health and Beauty Hacks, and today we're going to make a foaming. Today, hey gang, it's Lita. You hit the bell button. Lita Lum's Apotheca Health and Beauty Hacks, and today we're going to make a foaming facial cleanser. Ooh, this is still warm. Smells pretty good. A nice emollient, hydrating. Hey guys, it's Lita Lum. The system allows formulated not. So that's interesting. And so foaming, Asian fusion. But also you could get it at mild. It's cocamidopropyl, also known as cocamidopropyl. Yeah, I'm kind of getting this everywhere. Makeup, kind of